Okay guys, I really enjoy my trip to Nungnung waterfall, and I will explore another waterfall in Bali. So stay tuned, jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe ya. Thank